Amazon is literally giving money away as we're nearing Prime Day and most people are sleeping on it. So we found 27 deals, up to 80% off, on gadgets people actually use. Some of these prices are so low, we had to double check. Watch till the end, because the last few are insane. Finally, make your floors completely spotless with the ultimate cleaning machine. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Stretch Ultra is a cordless wet-dry vacuum that lays completely flat to reach under any furniture. This elite self-cleaning powerhouse normally costs a premium $599. Thanks to a generous 33% off discount, you can revolutionize your home clean. Enjoy your favorite workout playlists with zero cords holding you back. The waterproof JOYWISE Bluetooth Wireless headphones offer a secure fit and excellent sound quality for active lifestyles. Normally retailing for a modest $27.99, Amazon dropped the price by a massive 29% off. Pick up these durable sports earphones today for an absolute bargain of only $19.99. Beat the intense summer heat instantly with this high-pressure, rechargeable misting fan. Features a massive battery capacity and oscillating motion to deliver a cool, refreshing breeze anywhere outdoors. Originally priced at $199.99, this backyard and patio essential is currently slashed by 40% off. Stay perfectly cool all season long for a special deal price of just $119. Ready to experience the absolute future of laptops? The Microsoft Surface laptop is packed with a blazing fast 12-core Snapdragon X Elite processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a massive 1 terabyte SSD. Featuring a gorgeous 15-inch touchscreen, this premium platinum powerhouse normally retails for $2,199.99. Right now, a stellar 27% off discount drops the final price straight down to $1,599. Upgrade your workflow today. Stream your favorite movies, read books, or handle daily tasks on the gorgeous URAO Android tablet. It's the perfect budget-friendly device for entertainment on the go. While it normally carries a retail price tag of $149.99, a fantastic 13% off discount brings the new cost way down to just $129.99. Grab yours before this tech deal vanishes. Looking for incredible sound and massive bass on a budget? The Soundcore by Anker True wireless earbuds deliver crisp audio and long-lasting battery life. They are an absolute steal. Normally priced at $39.99, Amazon slashed them by a flat 50% off. You can pop these stylish portable earbuds into your pocket today for a mere $19.99. Instantly elevate the aesthetic of your living room with this beautiful, minimalist, modern coffee table. It's the perfect blend of sleek style, durable materials, and functional open storage space. While the original retail price sits at $119.99, you can secure this elegant home furniture piece today at 10% off, bringing your final checkout total down to just $116. Save your posture and boost your daily productivity with the DUMOS electric standing desk. It features smooth, height-adjustable controls to let you switch between sitting and standing effortlessly. Originally priced at $109.95, it's currently discounted by a solid 36% off. Upgrade your remote work or study office space today for a great price of just $69.99. Keep your grooming routine clean, safe, and entirely nick-free. The waterproof MANSPOT groin and body hair trimmer features replaceable ceramic blades designed for ultimate comfort. This essential men's grooming tool usually retails on Amazon for $49.99. With the current 20% off deal, you can upgrade your personal hygiene setup today for a very clean price of only $39.99. Achieve a brighter, healthier smile with a high-frequency, only-one ultrasonic electric toothbrush. It blasts away plaque and cleans deep between your teeth with ease. Originally priced at $42.99, this everyday dental hygiene essential is currently marked down by a sweet 30% off. Give your daily oral care routine a major upgrade today for a bargain price of just $29.99. Never overcook your steak or holiday roast ever again. The ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer sends perfect real-time temperature alerts straight to your smartphone. This must-have BBQ and kitchen gadget normally goes for a premium $279.99. A generous 39% off discount cuts that price straight down to $169.99. Cook like a professional chef every single time. Crush ice, blend smooth protein shakes, and whip up fresh soups instantly. The NutriBullet SmartSense blender features 5 high-speed settings that take all the guesswork out of meal prep. Originally retailing for $159.99, this powerful countertop appliance is currently discounted by 18% off. Upgrade your kitchen gear today for a much sweeter price of just $131. Skip the expensive coffee shop lines and brew barista-quality lattes right in your kitchen. The luxurious Philips 5500 series. Fully automatic espresso machine features silent brew tech and an effortless milk frother. This premium coffee machine usually costs $1,299.99. Amazon knocked a huge 41% off the price tag, letting you become your own home barista for $764. Deter intruders and brightly illuminate your property with the ultra-reliable blink-wired floodlight camera. It delivers crystal-clear HD video and instant motion alerts directly to your phone. Originally priced at $99.99, this outdoor home security essential is slashed by an unbelievable 70% off. Secure your peace of mind today for a spectacular low price of just $29.99. Track your fitness, health, and daily sleep metrics like an absolute pro. The Garmin Vivoactive 5 is a premium multi-sport smartwatch featuring a stunning display and a built-in flashlight. It normally sits at a high-end retail price of $899.99. Right now, a solid 36% off deal drops the final price down to $574. Invest in your health today, upgrade your home security, and never worry about losing your house keys again. The premium Yale Lock 2 gives you seamless connected smart deadbolt access directly from your smartphone. While this high-tech security setup typically costs $259.99, a massive 45% off discount brings the price way down to just $143. Protect your home for less! Get the absolute ultimate floor cleaning duo. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot vacuums and sonic mops your home with precision edge cleaning technology. This elite self-cleaning powerhouse normally demands a massive $699.99. It is currently marked down by an incredible 61% off, meaning you can automate your entire cleaning routine today for a stunning $269.99. Completely transform the vibe of any room with a single tap. The Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit gives you millions of vibrant colors that sync perfectly with your smart assistant. Originally priced at $142.99, this premium smart lighting set is currently sliced by 41% off, bringing your brand new total down to just $84.99. Cut down your monthly energy bills automatically. The smart Google Nest Learning thermostat remembers your favorite temperatures and programs itself to save you serious cash. This sleek home upgrade usually retails on Amazon for $129.99. With the current 24% off deal, you can modernize your smart home today for just $98. It practically pays for itself. Cook massive, delicious family meals in half the time. The Beelicious large air fryer locks in amazing flavor while using barely any oil, making healthy cooking effortless. This giant kitchen workhorse normally commands a retail price of $286.99. Amazon has completely destroyed that price by 25% off, letting you steal this kitchen upgrade for an unbelievable $215. Get a flawless professional salon blowout right at home with the Shark Flex Style hair styling system. It powerful dries and styles your hair with absolutely zero heat damage. This highly coveted beauty tool usually costs a premium $330. Thankfully, a gorgeous 39% off discount brings the new price down to just $200. Grab it fast before it sells out completely. Ready to blast your favorite summer tracks anywhere? The WONDERBOOM 4. Portable speaker delivers immersive 360-degree sound in a completely waterproof design. It's the ultimate pool party companion. Originally priced at $99.99, it is currently marked down by 30% off. Snag yours today for just $69.99 and take the ultimate party vibes wherever you go next. Say goodbye to sore muscles and intense post-workout fatigue. The powerful TOLOCO massage gun delivers deep tissue percussion relief that athletes swear by, while the standard list price sits at $59.99. You can lock in this essential recovery tool right now at 33% off. Don't wait on this one, grab it today for just $39.99 and feel the instant relief. Stop wasting your weekends cleaning the floors. The Airzeen self-emptying robot vacuum maps your home, cleans up beautifully, and literally empties its own dustbin. This ultimate time saver normally costs a steep $590. Amazon just sliced a whopping 52% off the price tag, meaning you can take it home today for a clean $286. That is pure efficiency. Bring the luxury spa treatment straight to your home. The viral iRestore LED face mask uses red light therapy to completely transform and rejuvenate your skin. This high-end skincare tech is normally a massive investment at $400. But today, it's a flat 50% off, letting you level up your beauty routine for exactly $399. Your skin will thank you. Need premium audio without breaking the bank? The Sony noise-canceling headphones are calling your name. Packed with incredible sound quality and a built-in microphone, they originally go for $179.99. Right now, they are slashed by 46% off, bringing your new total down to a crazy $98. Upgrading your daily playlist just got a whole lot cheaper. First up, if you value your sleep, you need to see this. The Vosaf Ear Plugs are a complete game changer for canceling out noisy neighbors or snoring partners. These ultra-comfy silicone plugs usually retail for a hefty $90, but thanks to a massive 80% off discount, you can grab them right now for just $18. Don't sleep on this deal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.